Hi, it's Sheridan Webb here from the Training Designers Club, which is the place to go for practical L&D support, especially if you work on your own. And today I'm just going to have a very short musing for you. I've just been to a business meeting, and because the weather's nice, I went in that. It's an old-fashioned Mini, classic Mini Cooper. Absolutely beautiful little thing, dead cute, but really quite difficult to drive when you're used to a modern car. Obviously, in terms of comparative vehicles, it's probably a piece of cake, but I find it quite scary, and I don't like being scared. I like to get in my car and I like to know that the brakes are going to do what they want them to do, that it's not going to run out of fuel because the petrol gauge isn't dodgy. I like to know that it's got ABS and airbags and sat-nav's so helpful, and a radio that works. And so whilst this is very cute, I do find it very hard work and it does scare me. And I suppose my question is, do you like being scared? My husband loves to be scared. He loves to drive these old cars. It gives him great pleasure. I guess he's a risk taker. And if you're a risk taker in your training, then you're not going to be interested in designing a robust training plan that you know is going to deliver you results. You're just going to turn up on the day, trusting your instincts, trusting your knowledge, and hoping that it all turns out well on the day. And of course, often it does. I have got back without any trouble whatsoever, but my heart is racing, and I don't like living my life with that sort of level of uncertainty and of difficulty. So if you want to take the uncertainty out of training design, if you want to take the difficulty out of training design, if you want to make everything so much quicker, easier and less stressful, come and join us in the Training Designers Club. Be a VIP member where you have access to a mastermind, a group of people who can help you, or check out our courses, check out our resources, and find something there to help make everything just a little bit easier for you.